With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so today's question is an element A in a compound ABD has oxidation number An minus. It is oxidized by Cr2O7 2- in acidic medium. In the experiment 1.68 into 10 raised to power minus 3 moles of K2Cr2O7 were used for 3.26 into 10 raised to power minus 3 moles of ABD. The new oxidation number of A after oxidation is 3, 3 minus n minus 3 and plus n. So now we'll write the equation. I've got an minus plus Cr2O7 2 minus. Over here oxidation state of Cr is plus 6. So in acidic medium, that is in the presence of H plus, Cr plus 6 will convert to Cr plus 3 and A will convert to something value of X, which we don't know. So now we need to find the n factor. So for finding n factor, A is going from minus n to x. So minus n minus x modulus will be the value of n factor into number of atoms of A is 1. So this will be modulus of minus n minus x. Now for Cr plus 6, it's going from plus 6 to plus 3. So there is decrease of 3 into number of Cr atoms, that is 2. So n factor over here is 6. Now we need to know few more things. First thing is equivalence. Equivalence is equal to moles into n factor. Then one more thing, law of equivalence. So what does this state? Equivalence of An minus is equal to equivalence of Cr2O7 2 minus. So this is what it states. Now when we apply this law of equivalence, we get minus n minus x. This is the n factor into moles. So we have been given 1.68 into 10 raised to minus 3 moles of K2Cr2O7. 3.26 into 10 raised to power minus 3 moles of ABD into 3.26 upon 10 raised to power 3 moles is equal to 1.68. Yeah, 1.68 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into n factor over here is 6. So now on solving this gets cancelled. This is multiplied by 2. So 2 into mod of minus n minus x is equal to 6. 2 into 3. So now mod of minus n minus x is equal to 3. Now solving the modulus, minus n minus x is equal to plus minus 3. Minus n minus x is equal to 3. Other cases minus n minus x is equal to minus 3. So minus n minus 3 is equal to x, or from this we get 3 minus n is equal to x. So this is the answer, 3 minus n is equal to x, which is option B. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.